In the holy city of Mecca stands the Kaaba, the most sacred site in Islam, and the direction of prayer for Muslims worldwide. According to Islamic belief, the Kaaba was originally built by the Prophet Ibrahim, or Abraham, and his son Ismail, as commanded by Allah. The Quran refers to it as the first house appointed for mankind, established for the worship of the one God. Raised on ancient foundations, it has been rebuilt and repaired multiple times through centuries, preserving its sanctity and purpose. This cube-shaped structure, approximately 13 meters tall, is covered by the honored kiswa, a black silk cloth adorned with Quranic verses. At its eastern corner is the Hajar al-Aswad, the black stone, which, according to Islamic tradition, was sent from paradise. Muslims face the Kaaba during prayer, uniting believers across every land and language toward one sacred direction. It is the destination for Hajj and Umrah, pilgrimages performed by millions of Muslims each year, fostering immense spiritual connection. Throughout every era, the Kaaba has remained the focal point of faith, devotion, and unity in worship, a timeless symbol.